My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Fiat 500e. This vehicle has done just over 9,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have automatic headlights and voice control. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access navigation, our vehicle settings, smartphone integration, comfort, media, and our home. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have full leather seats and get a good view of our sunroof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.